Hello, welcome to MattiMakes. I'm Crystal, and today we're doing a premiere order unboxing. Now, I ordered this November Black Friday sales, so it was a while ago, and this video is coming out the second Tuesday of January 2022. So this box has been sitting for way too long, but you know, things get busy and there's an order for things. And today I get to unwrap this. So let's see if I can touch it down. Aha, here we are. They taped this up really, really well. And there was some really good sales. So that's what I grabbed, right? Always get the stuff that's on sale, unless there's something you need for a certain project. So let's belly up to the box and see if there's any sort of paperwork. Oh yes, I got a lot of Wisdom Yarns Angora lace because it was $3 a ball. So, and regular price was like over, it was around $7 a ball, on sale for $4.99, special sale for $3. So it was really good prices on that. And then I've got some other things. So let's go, but there's a lot of that Angora. I actually have the invoice, so let's go. Ooh, sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Okay, so I ordered 7 of these. Premier Spangle 11-2022 confetti. When I set the knife down. These were $2.49 a ball. Oh, it's pretty true to color. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. So there's 7 of these. It is 164 yards, which is 150 meters, 1.76 ounces, which is 50 grams. 75% nylon, 25% metallic, and I'm loving it. So I thought about, it's a little scratchy, doing a little jacket with this. So there are 7, should be enough to do a jacket. Down there, and like I said, the rest is Angora. And this is color Sweet Pinks. Wow. It's just, I don't really want to open them up too much. That's a horrible sound. Okay. These back when I'm done. Sweet Pinks. Oh, that's really pretty. I got these to do like hats and socks. I love knitting socks. Then maybe some wristlets or some fingerless gloves. So Universal Yarns, Wisdom Yarns, Angora lace. So Angora lace is 3.5 ounces, which is 100 grams, so enough to do a pair of socks with 1 ball. Like 2 hats. If you do like the Ross hats, the beanies, it'll do 2 of those. It is a 50% fine superwash merino, 20% Angora, and 30% nylon. So you still have the nylon strength, the softness of the Angora, and the softness of the merino, which is fine wool sheep, right? So gorgeous speckles. Yeah, that's gonna make really nice socks. So there are 4 of those. I'm just marking them off as I get them. And I did not get every color they had, but I've got most of them. So this is the Pea Coat Blue. Oh yeah, there it goes. That's good. So it's almost like a navy. And again, it's the same blend of the wool Angora and nylon. And there's 4 of those. And this is denim, but it's a teal green. I don't know how you get denim out of that. There you go. And there's 3 of those. Okay. What is next? Ooh, that is like a royal blue. What is it called? Azor. We'll go with Azor. It's the one I can pronounce. Come on, focus. Anyway, Azor blue. I've got 3 of those. Colored work socks would be pretty. They're all really consistent in the spin too, which I like. Oh, if I didn't say, it is a fingering number 1 weight. And everything is bagged and stacked really well in the box. Oh, it's just the palest of dusty roses. And the color is called Ballerina. It's really pretty. And there was 2 of those. This yarn would also make a very lovely shawl. It'd be very lightweight and very soft. So it's one of those that would just be really good to drape around. In here. Some of these I got to complement each other to do like the solids on the heel, cuff, and toes. And then do some of the more variegated speckle yarns to do the main body of the sock. It's also the same thing with hats. Do the brim a separate color than the main part of the hat. This one's coffee and is a nice brown. It's pretty true to color on camera. There's 2 of those. Ooh, this is a really pretty teal. There you go. Harbor. Yeah, it's good. Harbor. And there's 3 of those. Oh yes. Steel. That's pretty. There's 4 of the steel because gray goes with just about everything. So it's a nice staple to have. So you have someone who wants socks and won't tell you what color they like. It's always good to go with something more neutral. My daughter, who likes everything in grays and browns and blacks, even though her favorite color is yellow. She won't wear yellow. Ooh, this is what I meant by some of the printeds. It's actually what I got the steel for. This is good. Oh, so soft. Perfect sweater, shawl, or sock projects is what this one says on it. And yeah, a lightweight sweater. Definitely. I'm not sure 4 will do a sweater, 400 grams. Depends, I guess, on sleeve length. It's the big deal. But totally beautiful. Fuzzy. This one actually feels softer. Strange. What I meant by the colors going together. These 2 would be absolutely wonderful together. Because there's the grays. Focus, not on me. Focusing. Focusing, then I looked up, huh? See, those are dark grays there sneaking in there. So that would look good with the steel. And there's 4 of these. So if you wanted to do a striped sweater, you could definitely do that with those 2 colors. Wow, I didn't even say the name of this color, did I? Back to Nature. So there you go, Back to Nature. And there's 4 of those. Green was just amazing. Oh, I couldn't say no to this one either. It's my problem when I find yarn that's like Angora blend for $3. Yeah, I would put it on the side. Oh, got 4 of these. And it is called Spice Tree. That makes sense. So orangey pinky brown. So the coffee brown would go really nice with this. And there's 4 of those. So if you wanted to do this in the coffee brown and do a sweater, go for it. As long as they're yarns are the same gauge and being the same blend works even better. Here's another. Sorry about the tape. Solid color. And all these are made in Turkey, by the way. And they suggest using a size number 2, 2.75 millimeter knitting needle, or a F 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. So, and this is the color Rose. Pretty Rose with Ballerina. Be pretty nice. Options. Does Rose go with? No, I wouldn't put Rose with that. It's too close. But not the same. There's 3 of those. Reach the bottom of the box. Okay. And 4 of those, right? And this is the color Heartfelt. Okay. So it's a nice splatter effect. I got it all. Didn't miss anything at all, and everything looks perfect. I think the so soft. The ones that are the non-solids, so these speckle effects, I think are softer. Feel really lovely. Washing instructions. Oh, that'd be a good thing to know, huh? Hand wash, lay flat. Right? Of course, lately I'm trying to felt. I knitted a deerstalker hat for my husband out of my hand spun yarn, which I spun with Icelandic using the both layers of the fleece and ran some silk threads through it. I can't get that hat to felt for the life of me. I'm gonna have to throw it in the washer. Haven't done that yet, but I did 2 hardcore washings with it, agitating the heck out of it, going from really, really hot water to ice water, literally put ice in the water, thinking I'd shock it. No. The thing's like, I'll tighten up a little bit. I want it felted so when it rains, it sheds the water. And it's just not happening. So, have you tried to felt something and it not worked? Please let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about Premier Yarns. This order was gorgeous. Let me know if you've had good luck as well. And happy knitting, happy crocheting, and above all, happy making. See you next time.